Why are people thinking the market is crashing? I mean, I can totally see why people feel that way. No market can sustain the rapid increase in sales prices that we saw over the last 5 years without expecting some kind of correction. But the idea of a crash suggests that there's a cliff somewhere in the near future. So let's talk about this today. I'm Cristi McGowan, real estate broker and owner of NextHome, our town in Waco, Texas. And when we say that home prices are going up, we mean the overall national trend. So overall on a national level, home prices are trending up year over year. So why? Well, it's the typical suspects, supply and demand. Number one, there's a shortage of inventory. With the interest rate trending up dramatically, fewer sellers are willing to move in spite of being uncomfortable in their current space. They're willing to hang in there a little bit longer with their sub 4% interest rate to see if maybe rates will take a turn downward, or B, they'll just build more equity in their home to offset the higher rate with a larger down payment when they do get ready to buy. Further, builders have just now begun to recover from pandemic-related supply chain issues, and new construction is very important because it gives home sellers somewhere to move into a newly built home rather than waiting on an existing home that meets their needs to hit the market. New construction starts a chain reaction in people listing and moving into homes. Number two, our wealth has grown. So in general, people just have more money. And one reason is they have more equity in their homes, allowing them to tap into this resource to make investments which further builds their wealth. The national average of equity is $274,000 to compared to pre-pandemic average equity of $78,000. Number three, millennials. They're the wealthiest generation ever, and the majority of them are educated with well-paying jobs. Now, in their 20s and early 30s, they're the largest demographic of home buyers since the boomers, creating serious demand for homes and bringing competitive offers, driving home prices up since supply is still low. Number four is migration. People are migrating to tier 2 and tier 3 markets more than ever, looking for affordable housing and more space at a lower price point. Places like Waco are seeing significant growth because of families relocating from tier 1 markets. They have larger budgets and often make competitive offers on limited inventory. So where is Waco in on this constant appreciation? Well, 10 years ago, the median sales price was $135, right? Remember those days? 5 years ago, pre-pandemic, was $193.5, and today $290. 22 $285. So Waco is totally plateauing, 285 to 290. It is so weird to see a flat line as opposed to the ups and downs we've grown accustomed to. But if you're still expecting a crash, maybe somewhere else in the world, but just not likely in the US, considering all of the above, and that the feds are watching very closely and planning at least one, if not two more rate hikes, stringing out the housing recession and making a move less likely for millions of homeowners in the sub 4s. If you have questions about selling in this market, give us a call. We love to chat about the future of real estate. Thanks for watching.